Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Sri Baso Public School. So, we have started in the previous class new chapter in the chemistry. That name is atoms and molecules. We have discussed in the previous class those points are law of combination, law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportions, Dalton's atomic theory and atom. So, today we will discuss new aspect in this chapter, that is symbols of atoms of different elements. So, now I will recall that what do you mean by element? Element is a substance that cannot be decomposed into simpler substance. We have studied in first chapter, or the pure substances are called elements because the elements are made up of same kind of atoms. So, these elements we will write by symbolically, okay, using English letters. The symbol of elements are represented by letters. The symbols of some elements are represented by one letter and the symbols of some elements are represented by two letters. So, we have some method to write the symbol of elements. If the symbol has only one letter, it should be written as a capital letter. So, if symbol has only one letter, you should be write in capital letter, and if the symbol has two letters, then the first letter should be capital letter and the second letter should be small letter. So, here they are given many examples, just you follow. So, some of symbols of some common elements, here left side elements are there and along with their symbol. So, aluminum is there, aluminum symbol Al, A is the capital, L is the small letter, and next argon Ar, barium Ba, boron B, bromine Br, calcium Ca, carbon C, chlorine Cl, nitrogen N, argon O, potassium K, silicon Si, silver Ag, sodium Na, sulfur S, uranium U, copper Cu, fluorine F, gold Au, hydrogen H, iodine I, iron Fe, lead Pb, magnesium Mg. See, so these are all the symbols of common elements. So, next here just you observe gold is Au is there, iron Fe is there, lead Pb is there, sodium Na is there, potassium K is there. So, these are taken from the Latin words. So, gold in Latin we can say that aurum, Au. Iron Fe is there, we are taken from the Latin word ferrum or ferrum. Lead Pb is there, their Latin name is plumbum. Potassium K is there, then we are saying that Latin word kalium. Silver Ag is there, then you should be say that in the Latin word argentinium, and sodium Na is there, that is natrium. So, few of the elements they are taken from the Latin word because of the first letter words are more similar in the elements, that is why these elements are taken from the Latin words. So, is it clear? Okay, fine. Next you see atomic mass. Okay, so mass means weight. Commonly we can say mass is measuring in kg or gram. Since atoms are very small in size, its mass is very small and determining its mass is very difficult. So the mass of an atom is compared with the mass of a standard atom. What is the standard atom? The atom which is considered as a standard atom for comparing the masses of the other atom is carbon 12. Carbon atomic number is 6, but their atomic mass number is 12, whose atomic mass is 12 unit or 12 U means atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is the mass of 1/12th the mass of a carbon 12 atoms. So, they are comparing and they are taking that standard mass of atom. So, here standard mass of the atom of carbon is 12. So, if 1 unit mass is nothing but the mass of 1/12th mass of a carbon 12 atom. The atomic mass of an element is defined as the average mass of one atom of the element compared with the 1/12th the mass of carbon 12 atom. So, this is the atomic mass mass of an element is defined as including the carbon mass of atom. Here the few examples are given atomic masses of some elements. So, hydrogen has 1 atomic mass, carbon has 12, nitrogen has 14, oxygen has 16, sodium has 23 and magnesium has 24 and aluminum is 27, sulfur is 32, then chlorine is 35.5 and calcium is 40. So, these are all showing that atomic mass number or atomic mass. So, atomic mass is different from atomic number. Okay. So, clear my dear students, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. What is the atomic mass of sulfur? 32. You should be remember, otherwise you purchase that periodic table. So, in the periodic table, so atomic number is also given and atomic mass number also is given and their valency, their electron configuration. So, all the properties we will discussing in each period of the periodic table. Okay. So, you should remember the atomic number also, here they are given atomic mass number also. Okay. Next, here you see molecules. So, we have completed about the atoms. Now, we are discussing molecule. So, molecules means what here? The group of atoms is nothing but molecules we are commonly say. But molecules are formed by the combination of more than 2 atoms. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which exists independently and shows all the properties of that substance. Example, water. So, water is formed by the 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen, total 3 atoms are there, but it is a molecule. Okay. So, we are saying that not a atomic formula, we are saying that a molecular formula of water is H2O. A molecule is a group of 2 or more elements that are held together by attractive forces. This is a very important point. So, when the molecules are forming or combining or to form into the substance, so which kind of the force is there? Attractive force. So, this attractive force is held together the 2 or more elements, then we can say a molecule. Atoms of the same elements or different elements can join together to form molecules. So, here given nitrogen 2 are there, oxygen 2 are there, argon, next carbon dioxide is there, carbon only 1 and oxygens are the 2, hydrogen 2 are there. So, we can say that H2, nitrogen 2 are there, N2, oxygen 2 are there, O2, so krypton, xenon and methane is there, CH4, C1 and H4. So, these are 1 or more elements that are held together by attractive force, then we can say a molecule or a substance or a compound. So, clear? Okay, fine. Next you see molecule of elements. So, molecule of an element containing atoms of the same element. For example, H2, hydrogen, how many are there here? 2 are there. H and plus H, then it becomes that H2. So, here the same elements having the 2 atoms. Oxygen is there here, O2. Then how many oxygens are there here? 2 oxygen. And how many atoms? 2 atoms. So, molecule of an element containing atoms of the same element, and some other molecules of some elements containing only one atom, and molecules of some elements containing 2 or more atoms. H2O, hydrogen is here 2, oxygen is 1, but they are the different elements and properties are similar of the water. Clear? Next, atomicity of an element. Atomicity of an element. It is the number of atoms present in one molecule of the element. So, we are seeing in the elements there are 3 kinds are there, or 3 types. Those are the metals, non-metals and metalloids. The elements are classified into 3 types. Those are the metals, non-metals and metalloids. Next here, atomicity of some elements. The types of elements are here non-metals and metals are given in the one table, and the name of the elements are given one table and their symbol and what are the atomicity. Atomicity means what here? Okay, see here, atomicity means we are saying that atoms, monoatomic, diatomic. So, like this we are seeing. Here first non-metal organ AR, one means monoatomic, monoatomic, and helium 1 or monoatomic, oxygen diatomic. So, you see number of atoms which are given in the symbols. Hydrogen O2 is there, but diatomic. Hydrogen H2 is there, diatomic. Nitrogen 2 N2 2 are there, so diatomic. Chlorine 2 are there, diatomic. Phosphorus here having 4, that phosphorus atomic. And next phosphorus means tetra. Then sulfur has here 8, then polyatomic, more than 4 we can say that polyatomic. And sodium is 1 monoatomic, and iron is 1 monoatomic, aluminium 1 monoatomic. So, these are the atomicity of an element. So, these are the also very important to balancing the chemical equation. Now, molecule of compounds. So, molecule of a compound containing atoms of 2 or more different types of element. So, before you have studied that the same elements. Here we are discussing molecule of a compound containing atoms of 2 or more different types of element. So, molecules of some compounds are given here: water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. So, which are the elements are present in the water? So, those are the hydrogen and oxygen. So, number of atoms of each elements are here. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So, here ammonia, formula is ammonia, NH3, and combining elements are nitrogen and hydrogen, and number of atoms of each element of nitrogen is 1 and hydrogen is 3. See, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Hydrochloric acid, hydrogen and chlorine, and here 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. If the number is not given in the compound, so it should be considered as a 1. Okay. So, nitric acid HNO3, so combining elements are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So, here hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 1, oxygen is 3. Sulfuric acid H2SO4, so how many elements are combined here? 3 elements, those are the hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. And how many atoms of each elements here? Hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1, oxygen is 4. So you are understanding very easily, I think so. So you should be practice and write in the classwork. Okay, you will remember. So ions are there. These points we will discussing in the next class. So thank you my dear students. Sharanu Sharanarthigalu.